coming this time, but you better believe I'm gonna drop a dime on you. I'll get ya, and when I do, you're gonna be busted. I don't wanna put the hurt on you, but you better believe me when I tell you that I finally got the dirt on you.
She can't see the swirls in my pants.
There's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. But that's what Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. Stick with us, 'cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all.
We have a certain sense of humor that people seem to like, but also the songs. I think the songs are what cemented in people's memories. You know, if you go to a group of 20-somethings and say, "There's 104 days," like they know what to say after that. So.
I think it's, we kept it smart too. We didn't ignore the adults in the room, and we also refused to underestimate the intelligence of children. Yeah. And that helped.
Yeah, we are at the world premiere of Phineas and Ferb Season 5, and we're going to be showing the first 2 episodes of the show to a lovely crowd today and doing musical performances. It's going to be really exciting. I get to actually sing some Phineas and Ferb music live for the first time. I've never actually done that on stage before. So today's a pretty big day.
I love being Candace. She's honestly like that character that just like crazy, fun. I love trying to bust my brothers. Dan and Swampy are just geniuses, and they have created an amazing show and one that has lasted a long time. And to see new generations loving it just as much as the old is pretty exciting. But I mean, it's like the music, it's the boys, it's Candace. I think it's like all of it together. So I'm so happy to be here.
We're back, baby. Season 5 is stellar. Everybody's gonna watch it all, right? Because that's the important part. Because then you get to have all the fun with us.
I am Allison Stoner, and I voice Isabella Garcia Shapiro on Phineas and Ferb. I have been playing the voice of Isabella for almost 20 years now, and it is remarkable that our voices can even stay this high this long, but it is such a joy, and it's one of my favorite projects I've ever been a part of. Season 5, if you thought that we had outlandish adventures and outrageous ideas in the earlier seasons, the new season is phenomenal from start to finish. And my favorite part is that the Fireside Girls, you're going to see other sides of their personalities that you've never seen before.
This show is as old as my daughter. So it was really fun coming back, and Candace is now like a teenager, and I have a teenager, and I had a baby when it started, So it's just, as a comedian, when I announce my credits before I go on stage, they're like, Sabrina, who cares? Phineas and Ferb! Like, I'm immediately cool.
I'm D. Bradley Baker. I voice Perry, the platypus.